Hello and welcome to another video on how to trade volatility 75 index. Okay, on my screen I have V75 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and the screen is divided into two. I have the main chart. This is my main chart, and I have indicator window one. This is indicator window one. Okay. And now, how does this strategy work? Let's look at the indicators on the main chart before I explain how to use it. Okay, you have moving average, the 70 period, simple moving average, color of the moving average is blue. Then you have 21 period exponential moving average, color is green. And then you have 13 period exponential moving average, color is red. Of course, you have fractals. So how does this work? When you have the uh, price, you have price forming like a double bottom like you have around here, and then you see price breaking above the red and the green moving averages, okay, with a price close. This is your buy signal. Of course, the reverse is price close below the red and the green line. That's a sell signal. Okay, like you have price forming like a V inverted V. All right, then with a close below the two lines you have a sell signal. Of course, the trend moving average is the blue line. Blue line is a trend uh, moving average. If you have the development of price above the blue line, you expect to buy. Okay, there's the blue line, and you see price developing and breaking highs. Like there's a previous high around here, and you see price break above the previous high, expect to buy or scalp buy. Okay, but if you see price developing below the blue line, let's look at where it starts to develop. Okay, you see a crossover, moving average crossover to the downside around here, and you see price developing below the blue line, which is our trend line. Okay, look for short opportunities. Of course, you can easily short or sell when you see price tests the green and the red line and start to drop below the low. These are previous low. You see a drop and close below the low. You can place a sell trade somewhere around here and then make some profits. Okay, so that's how the indicators on the main chart work. Let's look at the indicators on indicator window. Well, let's look at the parameters. We have relative strength index, color is red, period is 3. We have stochastic oscillator, percentage K period is 7, percentage D period is 4. The slowing parameter is 4. Price field close over close. Method is simple. The main style color is green. The signal style color is blue. The levels we have 95 and 5. Okay, we also have Bollinger Bands. The period is 2. Okay, deviation is 0.002. Shift is 0. Apply to previous indicators data. Color is purple. Then we have moving average. Period is 200. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to first indicators data. Color is black. Now, how does this strategy work for the indicator window one? So for indicator window one, all right, when the purple and the blue lines, that is our the Bollinger Bands, which is the purple line. The Bollinger Band, which is the purple line, the stochastic oscillator, which is the green and the blue lines. If the Bollinger Band and the stochastic oscillators, if three lines gets to the top, okay, you start to look for short opportunities. All right. Now, if the red line is our relative strength index line, okay, if it crosses down below the stochastic oscillator and the Bollinger Bands lines, then you start to place your sell trade or you look for short opportunities. Okay, by the time it approaches the black line, which is our 200 period moving average, okay, that's a confirmation to continue to sell. Okay, by the time the stochastic oscillator lines, okay, gets to the lower part of the indicator window, you start to look for exit on your short trades, then look for buy. Okay, by the time the red line crosses above, look for buy opportunities. As the purple line, the green line, okay, and the blue line, that's the stochastic oscillator lines. That's our stochastic oscillator lines, and the Bollinger Bands line. As the lines continue to tick upward, and you have the red moving average line crossing above, okay, approaching the black line, then you place your buy trade. Of course, when it gets to the top, start to look for how to place your sell trades. So, like you have around here, you look for how to place your buy trades around here, and as it gets to the top, you start to look for when price will start to drop, where you start to sell. Okay, so the alignment of the strategies on the main window, which is your main chart, and indicator window one, the alignment of the signals will give you the right trigger to place your trade. If you have price turning downwards, of course, lapping below the green and the green, below the green and the red lines, like you have around here, and you also see the stochastic oscillator lines dropping from the top. Of course, you can confidently place your sell trade. Okay. Of course, for buy trade also, you can see your price lapping across the green and the red line. Okay, and then you can see stochastic ticking up. Okay, you can look for how to place your buy trade. So I'm going to place a buy trade around here. I'll allow this red candle to turn to green, or I'll allow price to cross above this bullish candle around here. Then I'll confidently enter the buy trade and ride with price to the top. Okay, so that's that for the strategy. It's a good strategy. Ensure you test it on demo account first. See how it works before you start to use it on your live account. Don't go straight to your live